In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to turn off or disable YouTube Shorts with the latest YouTube update. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is update your YouTube app. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app YouTube. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then launch it. Now head over to the Shorts section. Click on three dots. Select Show Fewer Shorts to reduce how often shorts appear in your recommendations. For a more effective solution, navigate to You page, click on the gear icon. Now head over to the option Time Management. At the very bottom, you're gonna find the option of Shorts Daily Limit option, toggle on for it. Now set it to 0 minutes. After saving this setting, return to home page and refresh your feed. In many cases, this will significantly reduce or remove shorts from your homepage recommendations. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.